वज्रदेहिना सन्धूराश्रविपत्काले सद्वज्रकवचायते। অর্থ বিপদের সময় কঠোর ধৈর্যের অধিকারী, যুদ্ধের সময় বজ্রের মতো দৃঢ় শরীরের অধিকারী এবং রাষ্ট্রের সম্মুখে যখন কোনো সংকট আসে তখন রাষ্ট্রকে সংঘটিত শক্তি উৎকৃষ্ট কবচের মতো রক্ষা করে।
Omnipotent. Your right is only to perform your duty. You do not have right to expect any consequences thereof. You should neither be motivated by the fruits of your action, nor should they encourage you to be inactive. Lord Krishna.
Good morning, everyone. Today, some common headlines are presented by Sushmita. Parliament in chaos. The Lok Sabha witnessed dramatic scenes as opposition women MPs surrounded the Prime Minister's chair. Russian oil stands. Despite US claims of India halting purchases, Russia stated that India is free to buy oil from any country, asserting their trade remains mutually beneficial. T20 WC warm-up. India defeated South Africa by 30 runs. Manipur's new government. Ending a year of president's rule, Yumnam Kimchand Singh was sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Manipur, accompanied by 2 deputies. Dense fog engulfs Delhi NCR. Air quality index at 312 in very poor category. That's all for today. Thank you.
राष्ट्रभक्तिं करणीयं, राष्ट्रभक्तिं करणीयं, देशहितम् आचरणीयं, देशहितम् आचरणीयं, सर्वमार्गेरितचरणीयं, सर्वमार्गेरितचरणीयं, मातृहितं शुभकरणीयं, मातृहितं शुभकरणीयं, राष्ट्रभक्तिं करणीयं, राष्ट्रभक्तिं करणीयं, देशहितम् आचरणीयं, देशहितम् आचरणीयं, सर्वमार्गेरितचरणीयं, सर्वमार्गेरितचरणीयं, मातृहितं शुभकरणीयं, मातृहितं शुभकरणीयं, श्रेष्ठजनादरणीयं, श्रेष्ठजनादरणीयं, सद्गुरुशरणं गमनीयं, सद्गुरुशरणं गमनीयं, सत्यं वचनं वदनीयं, सत्यं वचनं वदनीयं, प्रगतिपथे नितचरणीयं, प्रगतिपथे नितचरणीयं, राष्ट्रभक्तिं करणीयं, राष्ट्रभक्तिं करणीयं, देशहितम् आचरणीयं, देशहितम् आचरणीयं, सर्वमार्गेरितचरणीयं, सर्वमार्गेरितचरणीयं, मातृहितं शुभकरणीयं, मातृहितं शुभकरणीयं, ऋषिमुनिधरणि सुधरणीयं, ऋषिमुनिधरणि सुधरणीयं, परोपकारं करणीयं, परोपकारं करणीयं, प्रतिदिनं प्रभुवे स्मरणीयं, प्रतिदिनं प्रभुवे स्मरणीयं, लोकहितम् आचरणीयं, लोकहितम् आचरणीयं, राष्ट्रभक्तिं करणीयं, राष्ट्रभक्तिं करणीयं, देशहितम् आचरणीयं, देशहितम् आचरणीयं, सर्वमार्गेरितचरणीयं, सर्वमार्गेरितचरणीयं, मातृहितं शुभकरणीयं, मातृहितं शुभकरणीयं, मातृहितं शुभकरणीयम्।